Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to unlock your natural beauty without draining your bank account or wasting time? Well, buckle up because I'm about to spill the tea on quick, easy, and super effective beauty tips that will have you glowing in just a few days. It's all about small tweaks and a little dedication. Let's dive in. Let's talk lashes. Coconut oil or castor oil. While we can't say they'll magically make your lashes grow, what they will do is hydrate, reduce breakage, and help prevent fallout. The result? Fuller looking lashes over time, thanks to their protective qualities. Here's the easy trick. Every night before bed, swipe a tiny bit of coconut or castor oil on your upper and lower lashes. Then when the sun rises, simply wash it off. I've been doing this for a while, and trust me, you'll see results in just 1 week. 2. Naturally rosy pink lips. Want naturally pink soft lips that aren't chapped? Here's a super easy and quick DIY lip scrub you can try at home. Take a bit of honey, which is super moisturizing, and sugar that helps to gently exfoliate. And mix them together until you get a scrub-like consistency. Then, gently scrub your lips in circular motions for about 30 seconds. Pro tip? Don't overdo it. Scrubbing too hard can damage your lips' delicate skin and strip away its protective layer. After you've scrubbed, rinse it off with warm water, and there you go. Your lips will feel super soft, moisturized, and look naturally pink. And if you can, a SPF lip balm should be much better. 3. The rice water rinse. Rice water is packed with starch, which makes your hair smooth and boosts shine, reduces hair breakage. And yes, no more mental breakdown over hair fall. And here's how to do it. Grab a handful of rice and rinse it once well. Next, soak it in clean water. Strain the rice and collect the water. Let it rest overnight, and you've got your magical recipe. Next, hop into the shower and rinse your hair with it. Make sure it's fully covered and massage it in. Leave it alone for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse well with water before carrying on with your usual routine. Try this 2 to 3 times a week and watch your hair thank you. 4th, let's talk glowy skin. If you want to achieve glowy skin, free of pimples and shines like glass, I've got you covered. This trick is super easy. Massage your skin with ice. Yes, you hear me right. Ice facials do wonders because of the way your skin interacts with the cold temperature. Here's the key. Grab a clean water ice and run it on your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Avoid overdoing it since it can irritate your skin. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, once if you have sensitive skin. And watch how it tightens your pores, boosts blood circulation, fights acne, and melts away stress like ice. 5th, switch to a silk pillowcase. Your hair is your crown, so wear it with confidence. And just like you take care of your skin, you need to care for your hair too. No matter how many fancy products you use, one simple mistake can ruin it all, and that's using a bad pillowcase. Silk is way better for your hair than cotton or other fabrics. It creates less friction, meaning less tugging and pulling, which helps reduce hair breakage and split ends. It also keeps your hair frizz-free, leaving it super shiny and glossy. Plus, silk preserves your natural hair oils. And here's an extra perk. It's also great for your skin. 6th, let's talk about small tips that make a huge difference. Curl your eyelashes. And yes, without mascara if you prefer. Grab an eyelash curler and gently curl your lashes. Trust me, this super easy but effective tip works wonders. It makes your eyes look bigger, brighter, and cuter, all with just a few seconds of effort. Try to yourself and see how much of a big difference it makes. Brush your teeth twice a day to keep them sparkling and healthy. Pearly white teeth can make a huge difference in your appearance and boost your confidence, all without any makeup. For an extra fresh feeling, rinse with mouthwash. It's a total game changer for long-lasting freshness and a brighter smile. Want to get rid of those stubborn dark circles? I've got your back. Here's the magic trick. Place chilled cucumber slices over your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Cucumber has natural skin lightening properties and helps hydrate the delicate skin. This helps to reduce puffiness and also dark circles. And lastly, exercise regularly. Make exercise a part of your routine, not just to stay slim, but to stay strong and fit. When your body feels energized and resilient, you'll naturally feel better and take care of yourself more effectively. After all, true beauty starts from within. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed these life-changing tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one soon.